Hi, welcome back or welcome to this channel if this is your first time of watching my video. So today we are talking about growing and maintaining long natural hair and a healthy natural hair as well. So I'm going to use Ambunu leaves. This is a powder and I want to use it to detangle my natural hair. And basically what you need is the powder, the Ambunu leaf powder. You need spoon, you need a bowl or something you will use to make the tea, and you also need boiled water. This is boiled hot water, and you need a bowl where you can strain it into. I have a bottle here that I'm going to be straining it into. Then you may need a funnel like this, and to strain it I'll be using an old stockings. There's one of my kids' socks, and I'll use it to strain it. You can use wig cap, you can use a scarf, you can use cheesecloth, anything that is convenient for you. So why do you need to use Ambunu leaves to moisturize your hair? Ambunu is very rich in natural vitamins that help to strengthen the hair, helps to moisturize it, and very importantly it helps in detangling your hair. So I've just put almost like half teaspoon here, half teaspoon into this bowl, and then I'm going to add hot water into it. Just, I don't want to make much in this batch, so you just add it and you stir. As you stir, you notice that the consistency is changing. It's beginning to become slimy a bit, and that's what helps it to detangle hair, especially if your hair is the type that really curls up fast. You can see it's beginning to draw or turn slimy, right? So I think I'll need to add a little more water so I can have enough juice. My hair is really much, enough juice to go around my hair. And in few minutes your Ambunu leaf tea is ready. Pardon that. Okay, so like so, some persons make a gel out of it, but I haven't tried the gel formula. I just want to make something I can use to detangle my hair, and when I show you my hair you will see that I made a very funny mistake. I didn't mat my hair and it tangled up. So here we are. The Ambunu tea is ready. Okay, so what I want to do now is to strain it, and this is simply what I'm going to do. I'll pour it into this stockings. No much hard work, just pour it into these stockings. I hope the camera is getting it. Okay, so, and this is what we have. Let's see, the tea is straining out pretty fast. Straining out pretty fast. So that's how you do it till all the juice is out. So it's left for you to strain again, or like this. I'm seeing some particles, a little bit of particles. I think this is the first time I'm using this kind of socks, and it seems some particles escaped. So I may need to leave it to settle, or I'll use another strainer to get a very smooth liquid. I got the stockings that I trust. These are male stockings, you know, like all, you know, male stockings, pure cotton. So I've used it before and it gave me a really nice result. So I'm going to use it again. I hope. Yeah, so the juice is dropping again. This time around I'm not even pressing much because I want it to strain very well. Yeah, I've gotten a better some people actually apply both the juice and the leaf on their hair, but I'm not sure I can go through that stress. I really don't even have the time, so I don't want to risk something that I can't finish. I just want, provided I can get the nutrients from the tea when I apply it to my hair, that's fine for me. So the next thing I want to do is transfer into this applicator bottle, and that's it. So you can actually rinse the stockings, the tea that you already have, you can rinse it and get more juices from it, so it can go around your hair. But for the purpose of this video, this is what I got and I'll be using it. I don't like making much, so that's it. And this you apply straight into your washed hair. You can also use it as a mask, apply it all over your hair, and just cover it up for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, or even overnight, so when you wake up your hair is silky and soft. So right now I'm about to apply the Ambunu juice, or tea as you may call it. So it's quite simple the way to go about it. You section your hair. Pretty much my hair is very brittle, and I hope you can see it. Yeah, very brittle now. The weather is quite dry here. You can see I'm also going to trim it and dry. I actually moisturized it some minutes ago, but as typical with this type of hair texture, it's already dried up. So I'm just going to take some and apply the Ambunu tea from bottom to the tips. And then as you do this, you can leave it to soak up a bit, and then you apply on another part of the hair, or you go straight away to section it. So you can see how difficult it is for me to detangle. So oops, okay, so I'm going to apply this. You can also finger detangle if you don't want to use wide tooth comb or brush. This is already unwrapping. I twisted this earlier on, and so you can see that the texture of the hair is already improving. Unlike these ones, the hair texture is improving, it's loosening out, and that's one of the things I love about this Ambunu tea. Pretty fast, it works on your hair, and just helps you detangle it and define the curls. Can you see this? See this? So beautiful. Yeah. So I want to apply a little more. So this is how you do it all around your hair and to the tips as well. So you can wash this out, and you can also leave it on. For instance, after this, I'm going to twist my hair, and I'm not going to rinse it off. Can you see how beautiful? Can you see the curls? Pretty. Okay, so yeah, and there we are. So I'm going to continue this all through my hair, and till I've done it for the most part of my hair. Okay. Oh, it's pretty. I think I should just apply it to my hair all through. I mistakenly left it without weaving it and slept with it like that. So I think it would be better for me to just apply it and then leave it to sit in it and then detangle. So these are different ways you can use Ambunu leaf to help your hair grow healthy detangle easily without having many women complain about hair, natural hair being difficult to maintain, giving them headaches, you know. And so I'm just going to do this till I achieve my result. Ordinarily, if I start it section by section, it's easier, but my hair is quite full and it dried out, but I can feel it is straightening out. Okay, so I'm almost there, and then I'll show you how I trimmed it eventually and my final look. So I want to just add some oils. This is an oil combination I made myself. It has cloves, it has neem oil, it has tea tree essential oil, and all the sprayer doesn't seem to be okay. Okay, so just apply from the root to the tips, and then I apply little hair butter. This is also homemade hair butter. Okay, so I apply it and just to seal in the moisture, and then I can go ahead to the comb is just gliding through. Okay, I think my hair length is improving. I'm just about 2.5 years gone. Okay, we are growing, but I'll be doing a trim today, so because 2022 the game has to be up, so a friend is going to help me trim it. So I just make sure that the ends are in good condition. Brush it out. Okay, so let's do it. Just little trim though. Does it really need much trim? Thank you. So I think the edges are good enough. Good enough. It's okay. So I'm going to continue this till I'm done all round. So I'll quickly do this and continue with trimming. Yeah, so here's the final look of my hair. I ended up twisting it, and this is what we got. And my hair is well curled up, and I think I may still need to do some trimmings and ensure that my hair is growing very healthily and also easier for me to manage. So I really love how my hair is coming out, and I think the little effort I have been making to ensure that my hair grows very well and of course look neat and attractive is giving me great results. And all along I've been using simply natural products, most of them homemade, handmade, and from herbs, just natural ingredients that we could even eat. So I think for me, so far so good. My natural hair journey has been interesting. Yes, some days have been challenging, but I totally love the result I am getting. And this is me telling you to hold on and keep treating your hair nicely, and get every help you need. Ask questions. We are here for each other. If you get stuck at any point, feel free to and send a chat, reach out on any of the platforms, and I am sure that you would be guided. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless you.